Hello, Timber Trail Bushcraft here. Gonna be opening up this Wood Devil hatchet that I got for my birthday. I'll try to make this lighting better actually right quick. How's that? Is that better? Oh yeah, it's better. Alright, so the Wood Devil, little hatchet here. Gonna open it up with my Mora Classic. See how it goes. Probably want to come in from the back here. Hi, kitty. There we go. Alright, there it is. It's the thinnest hatchet I've ever owned. And it's pretty sharp, actually. There you go. I'm guessing it's about maybe a foot long. Pommel handle. Kind of like a hammerhead. Sheath is Velcro and nylon. There's a little bit of plastic on the inside for the blade. Tucks in like that. You got a little loop. It's definitely a hatchet that I'm going to be taking dirt biking to clear debris out of the way if I need to. But, you know, it's a dirt bike, so might as well just drive right over it, right? But yeah, I'm not sure if I'd ever wear this on my hip. The stitching isn't very good, but Outdoor Edge Survival Series. Yay! Alright. See you later.